God go bless you, Okpebholo. God go bless you for this good work wey you dey do for us.
Edo State has become a construction site in Nigeria. Everywhere you go, you find bulldozers, you find caterpillars, you find payloaders, you find every heavy machines working. Now we are right here in Edo South Senatorial District. Now, if you pass through Airport Road down to Obariba, after the bridge, you have Oba, Evbuodia, Ulemon Road. In fact, it's leading, part of it is leading to Ekehuan Road. So what we have here is a massive construction going on in this place. We're going to take you around and you see that this place is a never-go area before. Nobody thought life was going to return to this place. Now, this is not just the main city. These are the interlands, the very villages that you can think of. With this road, you can link to Ekehuan Road. You can link to several communities, up to 7 communities on this axis. That is what Governor Monday Okpebholo has been doing in states. Just 1 year, everywhere has become a construction site.
Oh, this road where we dey, so the road, many people don't park for months. The way we dey, they do the road, are they happy? So this road na Ulemon from Airport Road. For community where they here, pass 15 communities step. It passed 15. So as you they see me, so I'm just happy. So I just happy. So God go bless you, Okpebholo. God go bless you for this good work wey you dey do for us.